Hey everyone, today we're looking at the best pressure washers you can buy right now. I'm breaking down the ones that truly stand out, whether you want high cleaning power, portability, durability, or an all-round solid performer, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. My number one pick in the super compact and budget all-rounder category is the Westinghouse EPX 3100V. Look, if you live in an apartment, a townhouse, or you just don't have room for a bulky washer on wheels, this is kind of a no-brainer. It weighs only 18 pounds, has a built-in carry handle, and you can literally tuck it on a garage shelf when you're done. In terms of performance, it delivers 2100 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM, which is plenty for cars, patio furniture, fencing, and light driveway work. You also get a detachable foam cannon, 3 quick connect nozzle tips, a pro-style steel wand, and a 20-foot easy coil hose. The total stop system automatically shuts off the pump when you let go of the trigger, which helps extend the life of the unit. And here's another one that's really important. It's backed by a 3-year limited warranty, which is honestly one of the best you'll find in this price range of around $120. The hose is a little on the short side at 20 feet, so if you're cleaning a long driveway, you'll probably want to pair it with a garden hose extension. But for the size, the price, and the convenience, it's tough to beat this thing for everyday household cleaning. Now, if your main use case is washing vehicles or detailing, and you want to spend as little as possible, I'd point you towards the LWQ S5. This one runs about $100 on Amazon, and it's a little bit of a sleeper hit. It's the lightest pressure washer I've come across at just 17 pounds, and it has a thin, vertical design that stores in almost any tight space. What makes it shine specifically for car detailing is the foam cannon, which by most accounts produces one of the thickest, soapiest lavas on the market. You basically just coat your entire vehicle in suds, let it sit, and rinse. Easy. It comes with 4 quick connect metal nozzles, covering 0, 15, 25 and 40 degrees, plus a 23-foot hose and a 36-foot power cord, which gives you a ton of reach for the money. It can also pull water from a bucket, not just a hose, which is a nice bonus if you're washing in a spot without a spigot nearby. The actual peak pressure is lower than some competitors once you measure it in the real world. So it's really better for medium and light tasks rather than serious caked-on grime. But for the price, for vehicles, boats, ATVs, furniture, and light driveway rinsing, it punches way above its weight. Moving up the ladder, my pick for best bang-for-the-buck electric pressure washer is the Westinghouse EPX 3500. This is the model I'd recommend to the largest number of people because it just nails the balance of power, price, and usability. It delivers 2500 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM, which is a meaningful step up from the EPX 3100V. And it handles driveways, decks, siding, and vehicles with real authority. It's also packed with quality of life features that make it a joy to use. You get 4 quick lock wheels with 360-degree steering and a low center of gravity that almost entirely eliminates the tipping problems most compact washers have. It's still only 19 pounds and 16.5 inches tall, so it fits anywhere. But you can now actually wheel it across the driveway instead of picking it up. You also get 5 nozzle tips, including a 0-degree jet, turbo, and soap applicator, a 25-foot easy coil hose, a 35-foot power cord, and an onboard 20-ounce soap tank, so you don't need a separate foam cannon. And the whole thing comes in at around $169, which is honestly a steal for what you're getting. It is loud when the pump kicks in, louder than I expected from a 19-pound unit, but that's really the only real knock on it. Now, if you want maximum convenience and you're willing to pay for it, my favourite premium cordless pick is the Power Plus HPW 3200. This is currently the most powerful cordless pressure washer on the market, and it runs off 2 56-volt batteries from Power Plus platform. You get up to 3200 psi at 1.2 GPM, with a peak flow of 2.0 GPM, and up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge with two 6 amp-hour batteries. And here's why that matters. Because there's no cord and no fixed water hookup required, you can actually take this pressure washer anywhere. It has a siphon hose that can draw water from a bucket, a 5-gallon jug, a pond, whatever. If you're cleaning a boat on a dock, a truck at a job site, or an ATV at a campsite, this is the one. You get 3 power modes on the wand itself: Eco, High and Turbo, plus a battery charge display, a telescopic handle, a foam cannon, and 5 included nozzles. The bare tool version is around $500, and the kit with two 6 amp-hour batteries and the charger runs closer to $779. It's definitely a premium price. But if you're already invested in the Ego ecosystem with a mower or a blower, the batteries are interchangeable, so it becomes a much easier sell. The honest drawback here is that you really do need 2 beefy batteries to get the rated runtime. And if you own a smaller Eco batteries, you'll be recharging more often than you like. And for my overall best pick in the electric category, the one that gives you the gas-like performance without the noise, the fumes, the maintenance, it has to be the Greenworks Pro Brushless 3000 psi. This is the crown jewel of residential electric pressure washers right now. It delivers 3000 max psi and up to 2.0 GPM thanks to what Greenworks calls jet flow technology. And it's CSA and PWMA certified, which means those numbers have actually been verified by an independent lab. They're not just marketing claims. The heart of this unit is the true brushless motor. It's smart sensing, meaning it automatically adjusts pressure and flow based on the nozzle tip you've got installed. And it's backed by a 10-year motor warranty. That's practically unheard of in this category. The wheelbarrow style frame with 10-inch never flat wheels gives it real mobility, and the foldable handle lets you store it vertically, taking up about 50% less space in your garage. You get a rugged metal spray gun, a 25-foot kink-resistant Uberflex hose, a 35-foot power cord with GFCI protection, and 5 nozzles, including turbo and soap. It runs right around $500 on Amazon, and honestly, for most homeowners, this is the one that gives you the most capability without ever needing to touch a drop of gasoline. So these are the best pressure washers you can buy right now. I'll link everything below so you can check current prices and pick the one that fits your cleaning needs and budget. If you've any questions, or if there's a pressure washer that you think should have made the list, drop a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.